The budgeting, planning, and procurement suite with OpenGov is we've come from the Stone Ages into 2024 with modern processes and in modern procedures.
Before we switched to OpenGov, it was basically you did things in a spreadsheet or on paper. While the old system was functional, right? I mean, it did what it was supposed to do. It was clunky and not very intuitive at all. Like you had to go through 7 steps to do one thing.
So then when we converted to OpenGov, what we always joke about as a finance team now is it feels like we're forgetting something in the process because of how easy it is. You know, what used to take literal weeks and months, I mean, we're able to condense now down into a week or 2.
I just had budget meetings a couple of weeks ago with some of the people on my staff, and I was able to go into OpenGov and pull everything out and print the reports that I needed and just use that. And everything was formatted and it was all done, and I didn't have to, I didn't have to do anything.
Same story there on the procurement suite as, I mean, we were using Microsoft Word documents, labor-intensive process, hand putting together every single RFP, RFQ, and then resulting contract that we had. We knew we were going to start having high-dollar projects that we wanted competitive bids on. We wanted it to be in as easy process as it could possibly be for anybody external to bid on our projects. And we planned on having it launch with the rec facility. It's one of those things where we decided let's just rip off the Band-Aid, and if the very first project you do is probably going to be one of the more comprehensive and difficult projects you're going to do probably in the first 5 years of using the product, why not just dive in head first?
This year has been faster, easier, cleaner, simpler. And I mean, what else could you ask for?
Being able to then tell a taxpayer, hey, here's how we're using your dollar effectively, here's how it's being used. I think that's a very important responsibility to have to turn around to your community. And so the better you can do that and the better you can keep them knowledgeable and aware of how that's being used responsibly, the better.
And that's the whole point to me, is that you want a piece of software that makes sense, it does what it's supposed to do, and it does it in a clean, clear way. And that's what we've found using OpenGov.